I want to talk about the design work that you
Okay.
get, because that is something I think is really
Right.
important, like how helpful the
Sure.
designer is. I think you would think that you only get these great design services if you do have 100,000 for your kitchen, but that's not the case. You and the designer
Yes.
come to your house and
Yes.
show you some of your
Yeah.
choices.
Our first consultation is we'll come out with 4 or 5 door styles, some granite styles, and some backsplashes with that interior designer on the first call. So basically, we're showing you some samples right here. And a lot of times clients will have some pictures. Sometimes we'll say, if you're on Pinterest or Houzz, that might not be cost effective, but here's a similar product in a similar style that we can implement and for more cost effective. So that's really, really helpful. We come out with the designer, myself, and my estimator, and within an hour, we've got a great idea of where you're going, what material selections you're going with, and sometimes a rough estimate even before we leave the house. And we're not there to try to sell you a kitchen on a one-stop, but we want to serve you and build trust. And to do that, we have the service to do that. Where big box stores, it's just not that personalized feeling and the vested interest, because my business is once I take care of you, then it's that referral rate. It's just been very, very, very successful, and we're very proud of that referral rate. Like I said, we're doing the clients' children, their cousins, their aunts. We don't travel too far. We don't go to Dahlonega right now, but so we focus on a geographical area that is just works for everybody.